Hi, hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome back to my channel. This video unboxing is a little bit different in the fact that it's a free box, and that's all you have to do is sign up online and fill in a little questionnaire after you've received your box. So if you haven't got a clue what I'm on about, this is the Triyit box. So basically, as it says there on the box, you get sent items to try at home for free. So as far as I'm aware, it's just UK based. There might be other Triyit type boxes out there somewhere in the world, but I'm not too sure. So if I do find out, I will link it down below. But all links to this box, I should have said at the start, I will link it down below. So click on the show more, that will get the description and everything will be down there. So yeah, so you basically sign up for free and you fill in quite an extensive sort of questionnaire about your household, about your likes, your dislikes, your beauty preferences, your social media platforms, things like that. So basically they want to know everything about you. You have to be 18 years or over to create a profile, but from what I gather, you can create profiles for, say for instance, your pet and so on. So I need to look into it a little bit more because this is the very first time I have received this box. As I said, I only signed up, literally a couple of weeks ago. So when your profile fits an actual product or a company brand, then they will email you asking you if you'd like to try a Triyit box for free. Now that's all you've got to do is within a couple of days after receiving the box, you will receive another email to fill in, like I'm assuming it's a questionnaire, but it's just to give your feedback on the items that you've received, and that is it. So when feedback is received, you become eligible to receive more boxes. You don't know what you're going to receive, so it is a surprise, but everything will be full size. They also run competitions as well, so if you post up your picture, they've got all the social media handles here, post up your picture of your box, things like that, you get entered into draws to win prizes. So it's quite interactive, it's quite interesting. So I've got something called a showcase box, so I'll open it up and I'll show you, and maybe it'll tell me a little bit more inside, because as I said, I have opened it up but I haven't actually read anything or anything. So it says, welcome to the Beauty Kitchen Showcase. Beauty Kitchen have chosen you to be the first to try their new and improved products. Pretty cool. So that's what that looks like there. Then we've got this social media info and what I just said about if you post up your photos, you're eligible to win some prizes. Then we've got a campaign booklet. And then we've got an envelope here as well. So I'll pop them down and I'll just give you a quick show of what we got. It's packaged really well. It is quite heavy as well. Lots and lots of worms. Look how many. I'll just plonk them on the floor. Right, so this is what's inside my box. It's all beauty products and there's 6 items there. I am so excited to have a look at them and to try them out and things. The packaging is stunning, really, really pretty. It says sharing is caring. We've included a few extra discount coupons for you to share with your best friends. And it's 20% off any Beauty Kitchen products. And it's just try 20. So I'll link that down below. So if you're interested in taking a look at Beauty Kitchen online, it's beautykitchen.co.uk. I will pop that discount down below in the description, but no, I've never heard of them before, so really interesting to see what they're all about. All right then, so it says Beauty Kitchen have chosen you to try their new and improved products that makes you pretty special. We've put this campaign booklet together to give you a little bit of info about the products inside your box and to show you how you can win amazing prizes just for snapping a few pictures. Have fun and enjoy your Beauty Kitchen products. So the more points you accumulate, you become a VIP, the higher a chance of you receiving more boxes in the future. The Beauty Kitchen, it shows it's won numerous awards there. It says, effective, natural, sustainable. Beauty Kitchen are on a mission to create the most effective, natural and sustainable beauty products in the world. They're driven by a passion for beauty products that really work and are a joy to use. With a strong belief in nature, Beauty Kitchen are always striving to come up with more sustainable ways to create effective beauty products. Beauty Kitchen show the world that it's possible to create natural, sustainable beauty products which are above all effective. You might notice the Beauty Kitchen logo is different on some of the products. Beauty Kitchen are currently in the process of giving their brand a makeover to better reflect the company's mission. Right, okay. But no, it's quite exciting. The fact that it's free. I don't know how often they come out with these boxes, but no, really excited, really excited. So the first item I got is really heavy, and it is a Seahorse Plankton 60-second manicure, biologically proven microalgae, seaweed and Himalayan salt treatment for younger looking hands and shiny nails. And this is a 120-gram pot there. Ooh, sounds really exciting. I was expecting like a cream that to put on your fingers, but it's not. Let's see if you can see. Woo! It's like a balm, like a cleansing balm, but with grit. Okay, let's see what you do with it. Oh, it smells nice, not too strong. That's all it says, is that it's vegan friendly and 100% natural, suitable for all skin types, and that's it really. Does it give you instructions here? Rub generously onto wet hands, paying special attention to dry areas on the base of your nails. Rinse off thoroughly with warm water, pat dry. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. That sounds really cool. I've got the granules on my hands still. So the next item is this is Corinne Jackson, which is the original label. So I'm assuming because these ones have got Beauty Kitchen. This is the cleanser, repair and protect shampoo. Repair hair structure, remove pollution, sealing colour for all hair types. Wet hair and scalp with warm water, apply sparingly, work into low lather and rinse thoroughly. And this is a 75ml, I'd say like a maybe deluxe sample maybe. Oh, it just smells of aromatherapy. It smells gorgeous. So the third item is a pot of Abyssinian Oil Night Halo Potent Sleep Mask. Nighttime treatment to nourish and detox your skin whilst you sleep like an angel. And this is 60ml. And it's blackcurrant seed oil. People tested, never animal tested. Suitable for all skin types. I'll take it out. That's what the packaging looks like anyway. I love the packaging. I think that is quite cool and quite funky, and definitely something that'll stand out and make me think, ooh, let me learn a little bit more about you. What do you do? So it says, just before bedtime, take a good fingerful and smooth it all over your face and neck so that the balm forms a thin layer. Inhale and sleep well. Oh, it's nice. You can smell the blackcurrant. It's quite subtle. But again, it looks like a balm. It's quite nice. Woo, I can't wait to try that as well. Next item, we've got a Raw Inventions SPF 30 Mineral Shield Daily Primer. This sounds really exciting. 100% natural, broad spectrum UVA, UVB pollution protectant skin primer, 50ml, and it's got 5-star UVA rated. Perfect. Oh wow. Oh, I love that. I'm always on the lookout for a SPF that isn't so thick and greasy on my skin, so I tend to look for it in like primers or in moisturizers or in my foundations, so that it's not an added extra that I apply onto my face. But no, really excited to see this, so I'll try some on my hand. Oh, it's got a seal on, isn't it? Let's try it on my hand. It's white. Ooh, that's taken a little while to actually blend into my hand there. What's it like? Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It is leaving a bit of a white cast on my hands though, which if I didn't wear makeup it won't be so bad, but I wonder what that will be like. That's that. And then we've got something teeny tiny. What is this? This is a lip treatment. Beauty Kitchen, Natural Line, 100%, 0% petroleum lip treatment. So it's like one of these Nivea sort of tins, lip balms. Feels really nice. I gotta be careful, I've got lipstick on. No, I better not. No, that's nice. What's it say here? It just says scientifically proven to moisturize and protect lips for up to 8 hours. So now that's nice. And then our last item is a really cute item. I have opened it up and I have seen it. It is so cute. It's a set of products. Look at that packaging. That's adorable. So in here we've got miniatures of their products. That is so cool, isn't it? At first I thought they might be eyeshadows because they look like they could be eyeshadows, but it's not. It's what's this one? Is this this is a facial moisture cream. There. A great gift for any skincare lover or a treat for yourself. All products are 100% natural. Beauty Kitchen saved these cute little jars from going to landfill. So that's the first item. So it's a facial cream. Then we've got a beauty boosting BB cream. That's quite dark. What's that like? Beauty boosting. Let's try it on my hand. Oh my gosh, it looks like, I don't know why I'm sniffing. It looks like peanut butter. So it's got a slight tint there. It does look a lot more darker and orangey in there than how it's applying on my skin, and I'm quite pale, as you can see. I think that'd be quite nice actually in the summertime, for me anyway. I like to wear a bit of a fake tan, and day to day I just tend to wear like a tinted moisturiser, but no, that's quite nice. But it just looks like peanut butter in there. Then we've got a Wonder Balm. And what is this? What's this say? So this is daily care for lips, perfect for on-the-go beauty, vegan friendly and fragrance free. Apply as needed, avoiding the eye area. And again, you can see like this little balm there. Sniffing again, very natural, nothing in particular stands out. Next we've got a Seahorse Plankton 5-minute miracle mask. There you go. So it's just like a cream. Stimulate the skin's elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, hydrate and protect your skin against environmental damage. And then going back to the face cream, it says fragrance-free moisturiser cream for natural hydration. Abyssinian oil helps replace essential skin lipids without blocking pores to restore the skin's natural elasticity. All the items I received, so there's 6 items in all. I am well chuffed with this. These are free products sent to me to review at home, and I can't wait to try them. There's some really unique and different items. I love the fact that it's all 100% natural as well. The packaging is stunning. I just can't wait to try them. And yeah, no, I'm really chuffed. The aim of this video was to show you a way of receiving freebie items for free, for signing up online and doing a little bit of a feedback questionnaire after you've received the item. So what are your thoughts? Have you ever had a Triyit box before? There are a few boxes on YouTube, but they tend to be smaller boxes with like more like deguster box type food samples in them. So maybe because this is a showcase, this is specifically just one brand, and maybe this is just like a one-off. Maybe if another box came out, it'd be completely different with food and things like that. I'm not too sure. This is all new to me, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I received, and hope you enjoyed seeing what you could receive as well if you were to sign up for any boxes in the future. So if you enjoyed this, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.